Hello friends. Today I'm feeling yellow. I'm going to be using this NYX palette that I created. It's customizable, so you can buy these single packets and then put it in there. And we're just going to play with, these two colors with whatever other colors I want to play with. So excited. I did not, did I put moisturizer? I did not put moisturizer on my face. I already did sunscreen, serum, essences. I had a really angry pimple over here that didn't come out yet. It hurt so bad. I googled, what can I do to make the pain go away? Once you cleanse your face, use a toner to wipe down the area. And I was like, perfect, it's in my T-zone, which that's where I usually use my toner anyways. After 3 or 4 days, it actually went down and the pain is almost gone. We're almost there. We're looking pretty good. I'm gonna let that sit a little bit. Color Bucket Bling Bling Moist Primer. It's because this entire week is over 80 degrees, and so we want to limit face meltage around here, I'm going to mix Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid Illuminating Highlighter in 200 Medium. I'm really working on finishing this guy up. This is L'Oreal True Match Lumi in Warm W3 Warm Beige. I'm really working on finishing up my makeup. 5 bottles of foundation, 3 of them are my winter color. I put on a winter color by accident the other day, and I went to work and saw myself in the mirror and I freaked out. I was like, oh my god, why do I look so pale? This is also one that I'm trying to use up. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Honey. And I use this for my skin colored areas. So around my nose. I'll do it around my mouth. Maybelline Fit Me in 20 Sand. Right. I'm trying different dotting methods, and I'm going to use it as to kind of highlight. I'm just going to set my under eyes real quick, not the rest of my face just yet. And I'm using Coty Airspun from Amazon Loose Face Powder. Let it sit for a couple seconds while I powder the rest of my T-zone. And then once I finish powdering my T-zone, I just go in and brush off the excess away. And then now I'm going to go in with this guy. Maybelline Master Contour V-Shape Duo Stick. So one side is contour and one side is highlight. I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring on my cheekbones. The only reason I didn't powder the rest of my cheeks and stuff is because that is a cream product, and in general you don't want a cream product sitting on top of a powder product. If you want to contour your jawline, when you have that color you kind of want to push it down so it creates that shadow. So when the sun hits you, it looks like you have more shadow here, and it makes your jaw look skinnier just a tad bit. I'm going to go in with Bourjois bronzing powder, and I'm just going to go over the areas where I put some powder. This just kind of warms up my face, which is great, and it smells like chocolate. So now we're going to go into the eyes. First things first, we're going to go with Color Bucket Stay Awake Eye Primer. While that is doing its magic, I'm going to fill in my brows with NYX Micro Brow Pencil in, I believe this is Espresso. After filling in, just run it with the spoolie one time. This guy is almost done. I have so many products that are just almost finished. I believe this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Anastasia Modern Renaissance Palette, Burnt Orange. And I'm using this bigger one. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush. Grab that's a lot. Don't forget to tap the excess off. And what you're gonna do is, or what I'm gonna do, because I don't know if you're gonna do this at all. And honestly guys, I don't even know if I'm choosing the right colors, because I almost want to say this is the transition shade, and the transition shade is supposed to be not too dark, but it's supposed to blend everything together. And I feel like, yeah, my skin's not orange or burnt orange, but it could work. I want to blend that in your crease and then push it just above the crease a little bit. And then I'm going to use a flat smudge brush, take that burnt orange, and then put it on my lower, just like bring it down a little bit to like halfway. Ooh, that looks kind of nice. I'm gonna go in with this yellow. Another Sonia Kashuk brush, but it's a little smaller than the last one. I'm going like right below the orange. This yellow, my favorite yellow. It's so shiny. I'm actually gonna just go in with my fingers. Just look at this. Take a brush and smooth out the edges. Whoa. Line my eyes right now. Going with Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I'm going with my Tarte Blush Palette. We'll go in with Icon over here. Some highlighter. I'm going to be using L'Oreal True Match Lumi Powder Glow Illuminator. I bought this a small fluffy brush like that. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set. I'm almost finished with this guy. I really want to finish all these products that I said is almost finished by the time I move, which is in 11, 12 days, so I better work fast. Ulta Lip Liner in Glow. NYX Pinup Pout in the color Cocktail Hour. Got little sparkles in it. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully see you guys next time.
My name is
Juliet! Juliet!
with a nugget of twine.